In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the MSC Cruises app on Android. First, we need to open the Google Play Store. Look for the colorful triangle icon on your device's home screen. This icon is usually found among your apps. Once you tap on it, the Play Store will load, displaying various apps and games. This is your gateway to finding and downloading apps for your Android device. If you're not already signed in, you might be prompted to log in with your Google account. This is essential because it allows you to download apps and keep track of your purchases, so go ahead and sign in if needed. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. The search bar is a prominent feature and is typically labeled with the word search. Once you tap it, your keyboard will appear. Here you will type in MSC Cruises. As you type, suggestions may pop up, but don't worry about them for now. It's important to be precise with your search to find the right app efficiently. After you finish typing, look for the magnifying glass icon or the search option on your keyboard and tap it. This action will initiate the search process, bringing up relevant results. After that, you will need to select the official MSC Cruises app, which is also known as MSC for Me. Look for the app that is published by MSC Cruises SA. It will have a recognizable logo that represents the cruise line. Be cautious not to select any unofficial versions, as they may not provide the features you need. Choosing the official app ensures that you receive the best experience and the most accurate information from MSC Cruises. This is crucial for planning your cruise effectively. Now it's time to tap the Install button. This button is typically located on the app's page, right under the app's description and screenshots. Once you tap Install, the app will begin downloading and installing on your device. You will see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. This step is significant because it ensures that you have the latest version of the app, complete with all the features and updates. Once the installation is complete, an Open button will appear in place of the Install button. Tapping this will launch the MSC Cruises app for the first time. You will be greeted with an introduction or welcome screen that may guide you through the app's features. This is a key moment as it opens up access to all the resources and tools you need for your cruise experience. After launching the app, take a moment to explore the navigation and features it offers. This exploration will help you familiarize yourself with the app, making it easier to navigate in the future. Now you are set to enjoy all the functionalities the MSC Cruises app offers. Whether it's checking itineraries, booking excursions, or accessing your cruise information, everything is at your fingertips. This seamless access enhances your cruise experience, making planning and management easier. Keep the app updated regularly to ensure you have the latest features and improvements available. In conclusion, downloading the MSC Cruises app on your Android device is a straightforward process. With just a few simple steps, you are well on your way to enhancing your cruise experience. Remember, exploring the app will give you a better understanding of its capabilities. Thank you for following along and enjoy your adventures with MSC Cruises.